Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the places to find me. This is a special one. First off, it was sale. Two, Ulta almost never has like beauty boxes. And I snagged this on Black Friday for literally 10 bucks. That's right. It had been marked down a couple times and then I had points and it ended up being like 10 bucks, which it started out, as you can see, at 39, which is supposed to be a $55 value. So let's see if I got my money's worth. Okay, so we got this Ulta box. Okay, it's like Christmas in here. Figuring out how to open this thing. I'll just rip it open. Okay, so let's find out what we got. Okay, we got some Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. Let's just do those brows up right. Clear brow gel. You know, when you want to feel natural. There we go. They have the best brow products, let's be honest. Then we have, next, Becca First Light Priming Filter Hydrating Primer. There we go. Put that under the foundation. Then we have, this plastic's killing me. Can't get it out. There we go. Buxom. Okay, this thing's tiny. Buxom. Full-on lip polish in Celeste. Okay, this is supposed to make your lips tingle. It works well with the shirt I'm wearing too. Check that out. Okay, I like it. Oh, then we have one of my faves. I love when I get boxes that have this in it. Still with this plastic. Clinique Take Off the Day makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. I love that this lid just does this and you have to like squeeze it down and then it's like child-proof. So here's the deal. Woo! I like to save this bottle and then just, you know, fill it up if I'm not buying more and then travel with it because again, it's like leak proof. It will take off all your eye makeup, I promise. Okay, Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. We'll find out if it's perfect. I'm actually not going to open it because it's got kind of like a pain in the ass thing and it's going to probably involve some tweezers because my nails just are not having it. Then, oh, more eye makeup remover. I guess we can put these two to the test. We have Lancome Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. Ooh, this is also child-proof. Awesome. Love it. Then finally, we have one of the best setting sprays out there. Literally is one of the best. That one, NYX and Hourglass. It is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Like, it will lock in that makeup. It's not going anywhere now. Like, I'm gonna have to use one of these to get this off at the end of the night. And then, of course, there is a $5 coupon that probably expired long ago. Oh, it's to use on here. Oh yeah, it expired a long time ago. So that's what that is. There's where to find me. Like, subscribe. Subscribe, I think, is right over there. And until next time, stay beautiful.